Hey guys, welcome to Learn with WikiBee YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to extract all the text informations and count the types of data presented in the current drawing. Let's get started. So let me zoom in a little bit, and then basically I need to extract all the two types and count them automatically in the current drawing. So usually we all do use the find and replace tool for this type of tasks in AutoCAD. So let me type find. Let's say I need to search for FHR, so that I come to know about how many doors, FHR doors, are presented in the current drawing. So let me search on the entire drawing and then click find here. It says I have 3 matches. So if you have data sets like small data sets like this, I think I don't have any problem using this tool and count them manually. But if you have thousands of text informations presented in the same drawing, it's quite not easy to count them. So in that situation, what we can do is there's a tool called data extraction. From that you can save as a CSV of what the data is presented in the drawing. So let me type data extraction, and then you have to create a new data extraction, so it will get all the data is presented in the current drawing, and it will save as a DXE, and then you can edit them later, like if you have already saved as a DXE, and then you can edit that data and then filter that categories. So in this case we are going to create a new data extraction. So click next, and then it is asking me for a location to save. So data extraction demo, and then if you want to if you have any preferences of you have to search on the selected objects, you need to click on this. Now we are going to click the select the entire drawing. We need to search and then get the data. So it's getting all the data from the drawing. And if you have any text presented in a block type of informations, you need to check out this thing here and then click next. Here you can filter the categories you don't need actually. So in this case we don't need anything more than text, and then here you can opt out all the informations. I just only need the property and then what the name of the content. It's like a line or arc, what the type of the data is, and then the category. It's a text or it's a whatever it is. So press next. Now we have a list of items like main door, and then the count of that. So you can filter here also. You can if you want to opt out the column, opt out the name, whatever you want, how you want, you can opt out, and then click next. It will say there's an option like you can save it as XLS or .csv. Basically we can put that data directly into an Excel file. So it's actually saved in your documents folder. So let me open that. Okay, this is how the data looks like, the CSV we have extracted. So if you want to delete anything from this, and then it will look like this one. I have deleted all the unnecessary informations from that CSV and then save it as XLXS. So okay, that's it for this video. Please subscribe to this channel, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment sections, and make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications.